Russia fifth-generation Sukhoi T-50 PAK FA fighter jet is equipped with an advanced defense system that can neutralize an enemy plane's stealth capability, a report said Friday, citing a unit of Russian state corporation Rostec. The planes, which will go into mass production in 2017, are claimed to be capable of outperforming the F-22 and fifth-generation F-35 fighters of the U.S. Air Force. The T-50 PAK FA fighter jet will be built with composite materials and come with advanced electronic systems and engines to ensure the plane can stay mostly undetected by radars and other optical and infrared technologies. Russia's Sputnik News reported, the PAK FA is already to some degree a flying robot where the aviator fulfills the function not only of pilot, but is actually one of the constituent parts of the flying apparatus. Sputnik News quoted Vladimir Mikheyev, the deputy head of the concern Radio Electronic Technologies, CRET, a unit of Rostec, as saying, CRET has created an advanced internal navigation system for the T-50 PAK FA jet, which autonomously processes navigation and flight information. The system can also determine position and motion parameters in situations when there is no satellite navigation and make contact with GLONASS. Russia's satellite-based navigation system, which works alongside the global positioning system. Development of this aircraft was also funded by India, which is also plans to acquire up to 250 of these next-generation fighters. Known as the HAL-FGFA or fifth-generation fighter aircraft, the Indian aircraft version will be different from the Russian version. Some sources report that the HAL-FGFA will has a twin-seat configuration. It is claimed that the PAK FA will also be proposed for other export customers. This stealthy air superiority fighter has a generally conventional layout. The PAK FA uses stealth shaping to deflect radar waves. It was expected to use two Saturn 117S engines, producing 142 kilonewtons of thrust in afterburning, and 86.3 kilonewtons dry. However, the T-50 prototype used a completely new Saturn engines during its maiden flight that generate a larger thrust. Exact specifications of the new engine are unknown. Some sources claim that it produced 175 kilonewtons of thrust in afterburning. The PAK FA is capable of flying at supersonic speeds without using afterburner. Two large weapon bays are mounted in tandem between the engines. There are also two side bays for short-range air-to-air missiles. It is believed that this aircraft will carry up to 7,500 kilograms of ordnance. This fighter has 10 internal and 6 external hardpoints for the R-74M Archer and R-77M Adder air-to-air missiles. The Russian Air Force will get 55 Sukhoi T-50 PAK FA jets by 2020, and the aircraft will replace the country's Sukhoi Su-27 fourth-generation fighter jet. Russia is also expected to buy at least 52 Tu-160 Blackjack heavy strategic bombers, which will be produced simultaneously with the country's new bomber, called PAK FA.